Hey everybody, welcome to the Cryptic Chevy channel. Wanted to shoot this video real quick outside today. It's a beautiful day out by the water. It is a little windy, so hopefully I'm not going to pick up too much of this wind in the video. But I wanted to do this today because I've had a few people ask me about why the wheels look the way that they do. There's 2-inch mammoth wheel spacers that are on these factory rims, and definitely improved the stance on the truck a little bit, although what would do it the most is some 35-inch tires, 12.5 wides on some negative offset rims, which will be coming soon. I hope to do that in the spring. But as you can see, they're not tucked in to the wheel well like they come from the factory, and they look like they're on skinny bow legs when you buy these things, which is terrible. And it's so easy to make it look better with these wheel spacers. Now, whether or not they're the safest thing, I'm no expert on that. I can tell you that I did Loctite the wheel spacers on, and I've had them on for about 4,500 miles now, and I have not had any issues whatsoever. I put them on myself, torqued them, and rechecked them multiple times, and they have not loosened in any way. I might have had a lug or two that I had to tighten, but out of the 24 that are on there, I think I tightened 2 that had fell behind the recommended 140 foot-pounds of torque. Pretty sure I got that right. Hopefully I got that right. If I remember, that's what it was. I haven't checked them in about a month. I checked them probably 4 times because I wanted to be sure I was safe as possible. I took the wheels back off, retorqued the spacers, and it was fine. They hadn't loosened on the spacers, but the 4th time, and that's just because I was paranoid, I put the Loctite on there just to be done with it. I knew they weren't gonna loosen up, so I was fine with that. But as you can tell, they look great. The mammoth wheel spacers I got from Rough Country, and they were around $110 for each set, but as you can tell, they look really good. And we'll get a close-up. Got those black lugs in there. You see back there, they're a little dirty in there, but that's the 2-inch spacer in there. A little dirty. That is not rust. This truck has 8,000 miles on it, and I bought it brand new. But you can see that stance is pretty good. So if you're looking to keep your factory rims for a little bit with the factory tires because you don't want to spend a bunch of money, this is a very good, cost-effective, quality alternative without spending a few $1,000s for the rims that you want to get. It improves the stance on the truck with the factory wheels and tires, and makes you feel a little bit better about the way the setup looks on the truck until you can get those wheels and tires. But thanks again, everybody, for watching. I appreciate the support on the channel. You know, I newly set this up when I joined YouTube back a couple months ago. I really love the truck. I've watched a bunch of videos when I purchased this truck, got some ideas for the modifications, and wanted to share with everyone the same thing that I've done. I'm looking to get another truck, not sure what yet. Feel free, comment, make suggestions regarding that, because I'd like to get something else, and I'm not opposed to venturing out from Chevy, although it is my favorite. But I appreciate it, and I thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Check out some of the other videos. I got some real good stuff, and I'm going to keep posting. And please make your suggestions. I've gotten quite a few about a couple of videos that I have made and will be making. So thanks again.